let's talk about how you can reuse a form so that you don't have to start from scratch. So here's a form I have that I like to use year after year. In order to get it ready for the next year, there's a couple of things that I want to do. So first of all, I'm going to go and if I need to make any changes, for example, if I had put a date up here or up here, I would want to make changes to that part of it. But I'm going to go to the responses. I'm going to click responses here. And there are two things that I want to do with the responses. One is I want to remove the spreadsheet from here so that I still have that spreadsheet and I can collect the new data in a new spreadsheet. So if you aren't familiar with this little button right here that says View Responses in Sheets, you can set that up so all of these responses actually go into a spreadsheet and you can manipulate the data and do whatever you need with it. So to start with, I'm going to go to these three dots and I'm going to go to Unlink Form. So when I unlink the form, and it's going to give me a little message here, when I unlink it, the data is still going to stay in that spreadsheet, so I still have that saved in my Google Drive and I can go access it. Maybe I want to compare from year to year or something like that. I still have that. And I can also go up to these three dots again and I can say delete all responses. And when I click OK, my responses are now down to 0. Now again, I still have that other spreadsheet that has all of last year's data in it in case I ever need to go back and look at it. But now I have a clean form in order to send out for people to fill out for this year. When I am ready, whether I do it right away or down the line, I can click on this Create Spreadsheet and it's going to allow me to create a new spreadsheet. And what I often do is put the year in here at the beginning of the spreadsheet. So I have one of these from 2022, 2021, 2020. All I have to do is type that in there and click Create. And then I have that spreadsheet that is ready to go for next year. And as soon as participants start filling the form out, the responses will go here and the responses will go here. So just to recap, first of all, you're going to update your form in any way that you need, especially if you have included dates in the titles at all. And then you're going to go to responses. And from the responses, you're going to go to the three dots and you're going to unlink the form. And then you're going to go back again and go to the three dots and say delete all responses. And then finally, you're going to click on this spreadsheet to create a new spreadsheet for your new set of data.